Patterns. Topics covered: patterns in hundreds chart, patterns in multiplication, addition patterns, extension of patterns of numbers. Patterns in a hundreds chart. Observe the above table. Numbers in each column increase by 10. The sum of the digits of each number along the rows starting with 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91 and columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 respectively. When we find the sum of 10 numbers in various rows, we get a pattern in the sums. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals to 55. The sum of numbers 11 to 20 is 155. The sum of numbers from 21 to 30 is 255. The sum of numbers from 31 to 40 is 355. The sum of numbers from 41 to 50 is 455. The sum of numbers from 51 to 60 is 555. The sum of numbers from 61 to 70 is 655. The sum of numbers from 71 to 80 is 755. The sum of numbers from 81 to 90 is 855. The sum of numbers from 91 to 100 is 955. Scratch your brain. Circle all the multiples of 2 from the table. Addition patterns. We can find many number patterns while adding the numbers. Patterns with consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers show a lot of patterns. Example: find the sum of the two consecutive numbers. Solution: 1 plus 2 equals to 3, 2 plus 3 equals to 5, 3 plus 4 equals to 7, 4 plus 5 equals to 9, etc. We observe that the number formed by addition of two consecutive numbers is an odd number. Example: find the sum of three consecutive numbers. Solution: by adding three consecutive numbers, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6, 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 9, 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 12, and so on. We observe that the sums are multiples of 3. Patterns in multiplication. 1. 1 into 1 equals to 1, 11 into 11 equals to 121, 111 into 111 equals to 12,321, 1111 into 1111 equals to 1234321. Second, 2 into 2 equals to 4, 22 into 22 equals to 484, 222 into 222 equals to 49284, 2222 into 2222 equals to 4937284. 9 into 9 equals to 81, 99 into 99 equals to 9801, 999 into 999 equals to 998001. 9,999 into 9,999 equals to 999,80001. Extension of patterns of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. From the above patterns, each number is 2 more than the preceding numbers. Similarly, in the following patterns, if we multiply a number by 4, we get the next number 4, 16, 64 and so on. Can you write the next two numbers? Look at the pattern, find the missing numbers. From the figure, we find that each number in the right half is 2 times the number in the opposite part. Therefore, we have 2 into 2, 4. Hence, the missing number is 4. Values in life skills. This craftsman is using a wooden block to make a pattern on cloth. The wooden block has a design carved on it. The block is dipped in different colors and then stamped on the cloth to form a pattern. This craft is known as block printing. Find out the names of some states where block printing is practiced. Enrichment. Growing patterns. Consider a sequence of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can be shown pictorially as this. Can you identify the number in the sequence? 6. Write the next number, 7. Although the numbers in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on do not repeat, do they still form a pattern? Yes. A pattern is something we can predict. Here we can predict that the 10th number in the sequence is 10 and so on. As each following number or picture is bigger than the previous one, we can say that the pattern grows. These patterns are called growing patterns. A growing pattern happens when something is added or multiplied each time. You can have a growing pattern with pictures, objects, shapes, and even numbers.